in here. Hey, where's my bed? Hey, where's my bed? Mom, where's my bed?
Look in that room, Chloe.
Doesn't this look like your door?
No. That one, look, my door.
But you had stuff on your door.
Open it, Chloe.
Here's my bed. I just found it. I just found my bed.
You did.
And my water and my toys and my dollar toys and my bacon. And my momo. We got a milk in my mother's room. Ah! What's it? Baby bed didn't go in here.
Look at the wall.
I told you they go in my room.
This is your room now.
No, this is not my room. This is Bob's room.
It's Chloe's room now.
This is my room. Right here.
But look at that room. Go in there.
It's so
But where would you sleep in this room?
because
Where would you sleep in this room? Where? There's no bed. There's no toys.
this toys in Bob's room.
That's because it's your room now. Mommy and Sissy painted it just for Chloe.
Painted
The flowers. Come here.
my flowers.
Come back in here.
Oh! Hey! Princess!
It's a fairy.
I'll put it on the stackable.
Look at the butterflies Sissy painted.
Give me a minute. I gotta sit on it.
You gotta soak it all in.
My bed is missing.
Your bed is missing.
It's right there.
You're sitting on it.
My bed is missing the pink one.
Oh, the railing. You're a big girl now.
Hey, Tinkerbell! Tinkerbell!
Yep.
She got wings.
Mhm.
Just like me.
You have wings.
No. Only princess. Tinkerbell has wings, and princess has wings.
Careful. We'll have to find a new place for you. Do you like your new room?
Yeah. I got 2 rooms. I got another room. You want to see my daughter room?
But look, Chloe, all your things are in here, including all your clothes.
Ah!
And all your
I
books.
found Chancellor.
Your what?
I found Chancellor. I gotta go find it. Oh, I just found it. Here. It's on the wall.
Oh, do we have to put your temperature thing in your room? Your teddy bear? Do we have to put that in your room? Okay, we'll do that.
You gotta take it off.
Okay, Sissy will take it off and we'll find a new place. We'll find a new place for it in your room. New room, okay? Take Paw Pet.
I gotta put it in my new room. Keeping it. Look how she's in it.
You gonna go take a nap? So do you like your new room?
Yeah. I got 2 rooms.
Really, you have one room.
I got 2 rooms. Do you want to see my other room?
No. And then you're gonna get a big girl bed soon.